Welcome back, y'all. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm actually going to be staying at a paid campsite. Normally I don't do that, but this place is actually pretty cool. I haven't been here before, but I've never stayed the night. It's called Brushy Lake, and there's actually a little, I would really call it more of a pond than a lake, where you can fish, and we're going to try and catch something. I don't know what's in this lake, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. Seems like it's really shallow right here. Have to reel kind of fast. Might not catch anything. Either way, I'm just happy to be out, enjoying this nice weather. Today's supposed to be the warmest day of the year so far. It's supposed to get up to 71, 72 today. Just perfect weather. Can't beat it. Alright, I guess I'm gonna move on down. It's so shallow here. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it sounds like there's like a dang waterfall or something over there. We may walk over there, check that out. It's probably got a little runoff or something for this pond. Whoa, that is cool. That's pretty neat. Wow. Well, the fish ain't really biting, so I think I'm gonna set my hammock up and just kind of hang out a little bit, because it's still pretty early before dinner time. So I don't do it often, but I'm just gonna hang out. I was gonna fly the drone, but the wind kind of picked up a little bit. It's pretty windy. I'm gonna go ahead and get started cooking dinner because I'm gonna get a fire going and try and use that instead of cooking on the propane stove. But like I said, tonight I'm gonna be cooking a steak, but it's gonna be a little bit different. It's going to be a Wagyu steak, which actually came from my parents' farm. We actually sell beef. I don't know if I've mentioned that before or not, but we don't sell, you know, individual steaks. We normally sell like a quarter or a half or a whole. We've never shipped before, but I might be able to work something out if y'all need any. And I tell you what, you can absolutely tell the difference between some local beef versus something that came from like Walmart. It tastes so much better. Sorry, I got kind of quiet. Some more people showed up. And, yeah, I now realize, again, why I don't camp at campgrounds. It's just too awkward trying to film with people walking by and stuff. It's kind of weird, but anyways, I'm pretty tired. I'm going to watch a little bit of Netflix, watch a movie I downloaded, and probably go to bed. If nothing else happens, I will see y'all in the morning. Morning, y'all. I was going to get up and make some coffee, maybe do some stuff, but it's still really windy. So I guess I'm going to pack everything up and head out of here. But I really appreciate y'all for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Take it easy, everybody.